Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless air paint sprayers available on the market right now based on their performance, features, build quality, and overall value. I've spent hours researching and comparing these products to bring you the most accurate and helpful information. If you're interested in learning more about any of these sprayers, be sure to check the links in the description below for updated prices and additional details. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. All right, let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Lemnusgate paint sprayer gun, boasting an impressive 1,000 watts of power. This model is a fantastic choice for DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable sprayer for furniture, walls, fences, and more. With its adjustable flow rate up to 800 milliliters per minute, and 3 spray patterns, horizontal, circular, and vertical, it provides versatility for a wide range of painting projects. Plus, it comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles to suit different paint viscosities. The design is lightweight at just 3 pounds, making it easy to handle for extended periods without fatigue. The ergonomic grip adds to the comfort factor. The build quality is solid enough for occasional use, though it may not be ideal for heavy-duty or professional settings. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the included brush and needle, which help remove paint residue from the nozzle. While the Lemnusgate sprayer offers great value for its price, it does have limitations. The plastic construction feels less durable compared to higher-end models, and it requires careful paint dilution to avoid clogging. However, for small to medium-sized projects, it's a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance. Ideal for beginners and casual users who want to tackle DIY projects with ease. Coming in at number 4 is the Graco 26D2A3 TrueCoat 360 Variable Speed Paint Sprayer. This corded electric sprayer is designed for DIYers who want a fast and efficient alternative to brushes and rollers. It's perfect for small to medium-sized projects, up to 2 gallons, and eliminates the need for paint thinning, thanks to its powerful stainless steel piston pump. The TrueCoat 360 features variable speed control, allowing users to adjust the pace for optimal precision. It comes with multiple accessories, including 4 spray tips, 2 for paint and 2 for stain, flex liner bags, and a storage bag for added convenience. The build quality is excellent, with durable stainless steel components that ensure long-term reliability. However, it's heavier than other models on this list at 6 pounds, making it less portable, while this sprayer delivers professional-grade results. It's not ideal for large-scale projects due to its limited capacity and corded design. Additionally, the price is on the higher side, but the quality and performance justify the investment for dedicated DIYers. If you value consistent results and versatility, the Graco TrueCoat 360 is a fantastic choice. In third place, we have the Wagner VF803 paint sprayer. This 700-watt HVLP sprayer strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. With 4 nozzle options and 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, it's versatile enough for furniture, cabinets, fences, and more. The adjustable flow control knob lets you fine-tune the paint output for precision and reduced waste. One standout feature is the blowing and cleaning function. Before spraying, you can use the blowing joint to clear dust and debris, ensuring a cleaner finish. Afterward, the cleaning connector simplifies maintenance by thoroughly rinsing the internal components. The sprayer comes with a comprehensive kit that includes filters, a cleaning brush, and a viscosity cup, making it beginner-friendly. The VF803 is lightweight and easy to use, though its plastic construction may not feel as premium as higher-end models. It's best suited for occasional use on medium-sized projects, as heavy-duty tasks may strain its capabilities. Overall, the Wagner VF803 offers excellent value for its price and is ideal for homeowners tackling DIY projects around the house. At number 2 is the Elpidio EP62 paint sprayer, which takes the crown as the budget champion on our list. Despite its low price, this 700W HVLP sprayer packs a surprising number of features, including 4 copper nozzles and 3 spray patterns for versatility. With a 1,200 milliliter container and upgraded viscosity handling, It's capable of delivering smooth and consistent results across various surfaces. The Elpidio sprayer is lightweight, easy to assemble, and beginner-friendly. The built-in blowing and cleaning functions make it especially convenient for maintenance, ensuring a hassle-free user experience. The adjustable flow control knob allows users to customize paint output for optimal precision and reduced waste. While the EP62 performs admirably for its price, it does have limitations. The plastic build feels less durable than premium options, and it's not designed for heavy-duty or professional use. However, for casual DIYers and homeowners looking to spruce up their furniture, walls, or fences, the Elpidio EP62 offers unbeatable value. It's proof that you don't have to break the bank to achieve great results. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the AVCNU Cordless Paint Sprayer. This premium model combines wireless convenience with impressive performance thanks to its 650-watt copper motor and dual 21-volt 4000 mAh batteries. Each battery provides up to 15 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for larger projects without the hassle of tangled cords or limited mobility. The AVCNU sprayer features 6 metal nozzles and 3 spray modes, making it highly versatile for various materials and surfaces. The copper construction ensures durability and precision, while the 360-degree rotation design enables seamless application even in tricky areas. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward with the included accessories, and the ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during extended use. While this sprayer is the most expensive on our list, its build quality, cordless functionality, and overall performance justify the investment for serious DIYers and professionals. Whether you're painting walls, fences, or cabinets, the AVCNU sprayer delivers top-of-the-line results with ease. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is the sprayer for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect cordless air paint sprayer for your needs. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more product comparisons and reviews. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy painting.